Driven by an exploding amount of production customizations, coupled with the pressure of lean production in global supply chains, manufacturing plants, now more than ever, need a constant focus on quality, yield, throughput, and velocity. In a world where demand never slows, how do manufacturers maximize efficiency while still improving output? Zebra's machine vision and fixed industrial scanning solutions. Built on the foundation of field-proven innovation and inspired by the plant floor. Zebra's new machine vision and fixed industrial scanning solutions will transform logistics and manufacturing operations from day one. With a set of core products that can be upgraded from scanning to advanced vision, our simple, intuitive design can be as flexible as your operations require, adapting as your business needs evolve, allowing you to do everything from track and trace to inspect for quality from one platform that's easy to set up, deploy, and run. The power is in the potential. Multiple upgrade paths transform an industrial barcode reader into a machine vision system when you need more capability and advanced features. The unified platform offers diagnostics that can monitor your production line and keep it moving. Allows you to detect when a product appears to be defective so you know when to pull an object from the line. And with the job compare function, you can see what has changed during an issue and restart the production line right where you left off, right away. Creating an inspection job is seamless, allowing operators to quickly discover and troubleshoot any issues. And when you need more processing power, software licenses are easily upgradable. For even more flexibility, these devices come with 2 industrial Ethernet ports, one for communication with systems inside the plant and one out to the IT system or the cloud, where you can access images and assure quality from anywhere. Or connect to monitors, keyboards, external storage and lighting, whatever your setup needs. The unique USB-C port gives you an advantage. With machine vision and fixed industrial scanning, auto manufacturers can inspect the quality of their work and process at any stage of production, ensuring they meet their business goals. Track and trace capabilities allow food producers to meet industry regulations for traceability and quality, and logistic companies get high read rates to move more packages and products, and track goods from loading dock to front door. Whatever comes down the line, be ready with easy-to-use solutions that elevate quality and drive production performance. Zebra's Machine Vision Solutions.